All right, let's do a quick visual condition report, starting with the front right wheel. I don't see any curb rash. Got the Fury off-road tires, lots of tread left here. Got the painted to match fender flares. Got a small scratch here. We are missing the antenna. We are going to add one to it. Little scuffs and scratches here and there. Got one right there. You can see a few more in this area. Little fingernail scratches and just typical scuffs from just kind of washing. Got a few chips here. Got some PPF on this section and that edge. Those do not catch my nail, but they're little scratches. This one does catch my nail. See, it is a gash. It went through the paint. And then we have some gashes here on this fender flare. That wheel looks good. Tires look good. And then you can see all the lighting here. And then looking at the front end, got the replacement bumper with the rigid lights here on the bottom, and then Z-Roads lights here up top. A couple tiny scratches, typical rock impacts here and there. A little bit of fading on that headlight, especially here on that corner. And then you have some fading on the top here. As far as damage goes, though, I don't see anything. The front end looks really nice. And looking at the engine bay, looks really clean. Then here's your module for all the lighting. That looks really nice. And then here on the back left side, we do have a large gash here, and that has been touched up. Got some scratches. That wheel looks good. I don't see any curb rash. There's some deep scratches here that do catch your nail. Got a scratch here. Got a rock chip right there. Little scuffs around the door handle. We have a scratch right there. That wheel looks nice. Everything else looks really good. Then here on the back bumper, you have the steel bumper with the rigid lights. The brand is Bodyguard. You do have a crease right there. Got the smoke taillights, look really nice. We have a chip right here, a couple scuffs, just every once in a while on this upper section. We have a gash right there that does catch your nail. Some other scratches here. And then you have a bed liner. Looking at the interior, it is a non-smoker. Got the wood grain here. All these buttons look nice. Memory seating. The JBL audio, and this lower section is nice and clean. Got a really clean kick plate. All of that looks nice. You do have some wrinkles here. That Alcantara is very clean. This bolster looks amazing. Got the 1794 edition there stamped in the seat. The rest of the seat looks amazing. Got a tiny scuff here on the steering wheel. All of those buttons look good. Got the wood grain here on the top, Bluetooth. These seats are heated and cooled. And then here's your module for all the lighting. It's really clean. You can go through and select everything and turn it off. Has that nice built-in look to it. A couple tiny scuffs on this trim. Console looks good. Here on this back left door panel, it looks awesome, very clean. This section looks amazing. Got these awesome all-weather mats with the carpet inserts. We do have a tiny scuff right there. The rest of that seat looks amazing. All the Alcantara looks good. These seats look really neat. You do have a little wrinkle right there. Maybe a car seat was sitting on it. Seat backs look good. Overall, the back seat here looks amazing. Here on the front right door panel, this upper section looks good. A couple little spots on the speaker cover. Trim looks nice here. Got the awesome floor mats. We do have a stain of some sort right there. A small scuff. Another stain there and there. Everything else looks awesome. I don't see any rips or tears. This side of the console is nice and clean. The dash here looks awesome. I don't see any scuffs or scratches on the glove box. Here on the back right door panel, you do have a couple spots on the leather there. Some sort of stains possibly. Kick plate area looks nice. Little spot here. The rest of that seat looks good. The seat back's clean.